So a few weeks ago, we published the unboxing and first impression video of the Realme 10. That is the Realme's latest budget-friendly smartphone. Today, I'm back with a full review of this device. With its 6.4-inch display, 90Hz Super AMOLED screen, Helio G99 chipset, 50-megapixel rear camera, 5000 mAh battery and 33 watts fast charging, the Realme 10 looks like a good mid-range phone. It's the follow-up to the Realme 9 which came out in the first half of the year. Is it worth to upgrade? Let's find that out in this video, but before that, if you have not seen my unboxing and first impression video, I'll give you the link in the description and also you can find the same in this I button. Alright, let's start the video. From the front, the Realme 10 resembles the Realme 9 4G design. We are looking at a 6.43-inch screen with thin top and side bezels. The bottom bezels is slightly thicker but still attractive. The Realme 10's frame is minimalistic and modern with the flat sides and rounded corners. It is also thin, making it easy to grip and hold with one hand. It has the feel of a high-end smartphone. The 6.4-inch display on the Realme 10 is ideal for mobile entertainment. Full HD Plus resolution is 409 pixels per inch, which is crisp and sharp. In contrast, the Super AMOLED resolution allows it to produce deep blacks and vibrant colors. The volume and clarity of single downward firing loudspeaker are more than enough. However, the bass is weak as with any other smartphone in the class. But this isn't a big problem because you still use an external speaker or headphones to get a better sound experience. The Realme 10 is run by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor with a 6nm architecture and a ARM Mali G57MC2 GPU. It has 8GB of RAM and overall performance is excellent. If you really push it, you'll notice a slight stutter when switching between apps quickly. However, I did not notice any lag in normal use. On moderate tasks, I didn't notice any heating issues as well. The device will definitely get warm during gaming sessions, but I didn't notice any throttling, which is good sign. After 20 minutes of gameplay, the phone was warm but not uncomfortable to hold, and there was no difference in performance that required you to restart or stop playing. We have the storage option of 128GB and 256GB, which will be more than enough for most users. Expansion is not a problem because it comes with a dedicated micro SD slot. The software is Realme UI 3.0, which is built on the Android 12. We like the Realme UI because of its simple and easy to navigate interface, as well as its youthful icon and color themes. It comes preloaded with usual Realme and Google apps. It does, however, have a large amount of recommended apps on its own app store. If you do not opt out during the device initial setup, you will end up with a slew of pre-installed apps. You can still uninstall them, but it's time consuming. The Realme 3.0, which adds some nice customization options to the interface while keeping the stock Android feel. It's still not as personalized as the Pixel 6, but you can apply a color palette based on your current wallpaper app icons. The colors suggested are nice and the overall effect makes it more personal to users. Realme 10 has a 15-megapixel color AI camera with stabilization and a 2-megapixel monochrome secondary camera for focusing and capturing details. There is a 16-megapixel selfie camera as well. This is not that interesting camera setup on the spec sheet, but the software processing from the Realme seems to have been upgraded and looks good to me. Portrait mode looks natural, usually finds the right subject and can even pick out small details like hair strands when the light is right. It's not a reason to buy this phone, but it's a nice feature that you will be confident enough to use when you want to. Night mode is good for taking photos of landscape at night because it adds a bit more color and detail than shooting in regular mode. However, it is not a very common feature. The color AI in the camera app can pretty accurately figure out what's going on in the scene and adjust the colors based on that. Overall, the Realme 10 produced high quality photos that we are proud to share on social media. In terms of videography, the Realme 10 can capture 1080p videos at 30 or 60 frames per second. The top setting for the front camera is 1080p at 30 frames per second. Both the cameras lack electronic stabilization. The 1080p daylight video from the rear camera is great. It has sufficient resolve details, the right amount of sharpening, little noise and accurate colors. The Realme 10 16-megapixel front-facing camera uses a quad-Bayer color filter, but the camera app still stores images at the full resolution of 16 megapixel. Since this is the case, blurriness is to be expected in the selfies. The front-facing 16-megapixel camera samples I captured looks fine. They are satisfactory with the levels of details for a low-price selfie camera. However, due to HDR, the results in the photos that are less details and more over-processed. The subject separations and the fox blur in the selfie portraits are both strong points. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so that when I post a new video, you will be notified. Realme 10's battery life is also excellent. The 5000 mAh battery did not drain faster than expected when I tested the device. I made it through a day of heavy use. The next day, you can go without a charger for another 4 or 5 hours. In general, the Realme 10's battery will last a day. However, heavy gaming and binge watching may drain the battery, making it necessary to go to bed early or use a power bank. The SuperVOOC charger that comes with the Realme 10 can charge it quickly at 33 watts, which takes only 28 minutes to go from 0 to 50%. The Realme 10 will more than meet the needs of a regular user looking for a mid-range Android phone that will reliably get them through their daily tasks. It's quick and well built with premium features like an AMOLED 90Hz display and a dependable 50-megapixel AI camera. The battery life is good, and if you like to stream videos and play games, we can confidently recommend the device. The Realme 10 fills a good niche in the mid-range smartphone market, and it will undoubtedly please a large number of people. The company's support policy will see them through many years of use. The camera system handles most photographic needs well, and day-to-day performance is commendable. As long as you don't put too much strain on the phone's performance, the Realme 10 is a good choice. Alright, so on the screen you can see my pros and cons of the Realme 10 device. So I feel you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also, share this video with your friends who would like to check for some good, interesting tech videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle as well as my Telegram channel, where we are posting some interesting deals you can find in the internet. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish. You are watching Tech and Spice. Bye.